Hi everyone, welcome to Tech River. Welcome to this video on 10 lesser known tricks using ChatGPT that you can use right now. We've included a bonus trick at the end, so make sure to watch the whole video to learn it. Trick 1. Text completion. The first trick is using ChatGPT for text completion. This can be incredibly helpful for quickly finishing sentences or filling in the blanks in a document. To use ChatGPT for text completion, input a partial sentence and ask ChatGPT to complete it. Trick 2. Text correction. The second trick is using ChatGPT for text correction. This can be helpful for fixing grammar, spelling, or punctuation errors in your writing. To use ChatGPT for text correction, input a sentence with errors and ask ChatGPT to correct the errors. Trick 3. Sentiment analysis. The third trick is using ChatGPT for sentiment analysis. This can be helpful for understanding the tone or emotion behind a piece of text. To use ChatGPT for sentiment analysis, input a sentence or a piece of text and ask ChatGPT to analyze the sentiment. Trick 4. Image captioning. The fourth trick is using ChatGPT for image captioning. This can be helpful for quickly describing an image or generating a caption for a photo. To use ChatGPT for image captioning, input an image and ask ChatGPT to generate a caption for the image. Trick 5. Text-to-speech. The fifth trick is using ChatGPT for text-to-speech. This can be helpful for listening to your text or for creating audio files for a podcast or a video. To use ChatGPT for text-to-speech, input a piece of text and ask ChatGPT to convert it to speech. Trick 6. Keyword extraction. The sixth trick is using ChatGPT for keyword extraction. This can be helpful for identifying the most important topics or themes in a piece of text. To use ChatGPT for keyword extraction, input a piece of text and ask ChatGPT to extract the keywords. Trick 7. Named entity recognition. The seventh trick is using ChatGPT for named entity recognition. This can be helpful for identifying people, places, and organizations mentioned in a piece of text. To use ChatGPT for named entity recognition, input a piece of text and ask ChatGPT to identify the named entities. Trick 8. Chatbot creation. The eighth trick is using ChatGPT for chatbot creation. This can be helpful for creating custom chatbots for your business or personal use. To use ChatGPT for chatbot creation, input a prompt asking ChatGPT to respond to a specific query and train the model to respond in a desired manner. Trick 9. Sentence classification. The ninth trick is using ChatGPT for sentence classification. This can be helpful for categorizing sentences based on specific criteria, such as sentiment or topic. To use ChatGPT for sentence classification, input a sentence and ask ChatGPT to classify it based on a specific criteria. Trick 10. Bonus trick. Text generation with specific styles. The 10th and final trick is using ChatGPT for text generation with specific styles. This can be helpful for generating text that mimics a specific writing style, such as a certain author or genre. To use ChatGPT for text generation with specific styles, input a prompt and examples of the desired writing style and fine-tune the model to generate text with that style. And that's it. Those were our 10 lesser-known tricks using ChatGPT that you can use right now. Don't forget the bonus trick of text generation with specific styles. Try out these tricks and see how you can improve your writing and productivity with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.